The perch is a ray-finned fish. Its maneuverable fins are supported by rays derived from skin. The perch has a well-developed brain with a relatively large olfactory lobe. While not illustrated here, the olfactory lobe extends to this region. The digestive system is complete, meaning that the perch has all the necessary organs and structures to carry out the process of digestion from start to finish. The liver and gallbladder have accessory roles in digestion. Above the stomach is a swim bladder, which is an adjustable floatation device that enables the perch to maintain neutral buoyancy. The swim bladder also exchanges gases with blood inside the body. A two-chambered heart pumps blood through the body. Paired kidneys filter the blood and help the perch eliminate excess water. Because the body fluids of a perch are saltier than its freshwater surroundings, water moves in by osmosis. The perch produces large volumes of dilute urine. By producing dilute urine, the perch eliminates excess water from its body while minimizing the loss of essential ions and nutrients. This adaptation is necessary for their survival in their aquatic environment.